With Slightly Bent Racing, and we're here at round one of the 2014 GNCC series, the Mud Mucker here in Florida.
Vowel number 543 with Slightly Bent Racing. This is my first year with the Vet E class in the afternoon. Not quite sure what I signed up for, but we're here in Florida and we're getting ready to tackle the mud.
Hi, my name's Rick Proctor. I'm a founder and executive director of a nonprofit called Vigilant Vet Incorporated, Vigilant Vet Racing. We learned last year of some active duty military personnel and some veterans who wanted to come race at these events, but they did not have any support personnel. We figured we'd go ahead and just give them that, and we set up this pit stop. It's called the Veterans Pit Stop. We take care of all their stuff there. They just bring their fuel, their bike, and their gear, and we'll pit them for them. We have a spot picked out, basically taking care of all the, answered all the questions they might have. Very active on Facebook. We also have a web address, vigilantvetracing.com. My email address is rick.proctor, Proctor, at vigilantvetracing.com. Shoot me an email, and we'll get you started, get you hooked up.